Hello YouTube. I create this video to make an appeal to YouTube regarding the suspension of my channel monetization. The YouTube suspensions of my monetization, according to their feedback, was a mistake. My videos were created in different places and days, and were not the same videos. Most of my videos were originals created by myself. I hope YouTube will appreciate my hard efforts creating these videos. I thank you, YouTube.
Of the people here, and there's also a good place to visit there. We call that night market. I'm going to get closer. You see, there is a lot of people going around here just to see this beautiful place. And we have a very wide boulevard here.
And I gotta be strong. Can I put your words on your life this time? Help you
You see, there's a lot of the store here selling food. So lots of people are eating here. You can also play games here. And this is the beautiful and very big stadium here. See this?